Hello everyone, I'm Hans, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps to secure your E2 Investor Visa. This visa is a fantastic opportunity for those looking to invest in and actively manage a business in the United States. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you know exactly what's needed to successfully obtain your E2 visa. First things first, you need to establish your business entity in the US. This could be a corporation or an LLC. The registration process varies by state and generally takes 1 to 3 weeks. Next, you'll need an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. This unique number is essential for your next steps, like opening a bank account for your business. If you or a business partner have a social security number, getting your EIN is quick. Without one, it could take about a month. Once you have your EIN, open a dedicated bank account for your business. This account will be crucial for financial transactions and proving your business operations to immigration authorities. With your business entity and bank account ready, transfer the investment funds from your personal account to your business bank account. Remember, these funds should be substantial enough to establish and operate your business. Although the US government does not have a specific amount of money required for an E2, many attorneys say the amount should be $100,000 or more. Investing your funds is critical. You must demonstrate that your investment is at risk by using it for business-related expenses such as equipment, inventory, leasing a space, or marketing. This step is vital to prove the legitimacy and intent of your business operations. Remember, most of the money must be spent before applying for E2 status. Finally, once your business is set up and your funds are invested, it's time to apply for the E2 visa. Ensure all the documentation is in order, showcasing your active and operational business. This step is crucial as premature applications can lead to denials. Remember, while these steps provide a general framework, each investor's situation is unique. Consulting with an experienced immigration attorney is essential to tailor this process to your specific needs. That's where 3A Immigration can make a significant difference. Our team is ready to guide you through every step, ensuring your journey toward an E2 visa is as smooth and successful as possible. Don't go through this process alone. If you're looking for expert advice and personalized service, reach out to 3A Immigration. We're here to support your American dream. Thanks for watching, and please share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more helpful content, and remember, we're just a call or click away when you're ready to take the next step in your investment journey.